Okay, in this Google Docs tutorial, we've gone from Google Docs and we've enabled Google Drive, and now you're ready to use your Google Docs. The second thing you need to know about the overview of Google Docs in general, without getting into specific applications, is that no matter what the doc type, whether it be a presentation or um, an Excel spreadsheet, you can upload literally everything to your Google Drive. And I'm going to show you how to do that in this tutorial. The beauty of Google Drive is that you can literally move everything into the cloud in one swoop. Google Drive allows you to upload your files from your computer by folder. You can also choose to upload them little by file. So whatever you decide to do, Google works with you. What you should know is by default, when you upload files to Google Drive, they will remain in their native format unless you convert them. And I'm going to show you this folder here. It contains several files, file types. We have a PDF, we have a PowerPoint, an Excel, a movie, and a Word document. And we're going to upload this file to Google Drive. So I'm going to go ahead and launch my Google Drive. And we'll choose to upload the whole folder at once so you can see how easy it is to upload the files. You need to make choices at this point about whether or not you want to convert it to a Google Doc. And you're probably wondering what that means. Well, if it's a Google Doc, you can collaborate and share, add people to edit it in real time. If it's in its native format, such as a Word document or an Excel spreadsheet, you can publish it and make it viewable by the public. You can share it with people with view-only access, but you can't use the collaboration features. So the beauty of uploading and converting to Google Doc is that all your docs are immediately ready to be shared and edited online. So here I have a view. I have class lists. I've got parent survey. That's a form. That's a spreadsheet. That's a Word document. And that's your PowerPoint. Now these are all Google documents. So I'm going to go ahead and click on upload, and well, let's start with a file first so you can see that. So I'm going to choose one of those files to upload. It's going to ask you to navigate where you want to upload the file from. So I'm going to go to the desktop, and I'm going to look for that folder that I was showing you, the Google Docs upload folder. And let's go ahead and choose the Word document. So I click on the Word doc and I choose open. And you can see my conversion is off, so it uploaded it as a Word document. I can change my conversion settings here. So my choices are to upload files to the Google Docs format, convert text from uploaded PDF and image files. Now, I usually never do that because if I'm uploading, if it's already a PDF or an image file, that's what I want it to be. Uploading, converting automatically. Let's go ahead and change it to that. So now I have conversion on. So I'm going to close out of this, and I'm going to click on upload, and I'm going to choose files again. And I'm going to choose this, same file, and I'm going to click on open. Now what it's conversions on, so you can see I've got the Word document, and I also have the Google Doc. So I'm going to click on Word, so you can see what it looks like in Word. And this is a thematic notes, so there's a lot of formatting in this Word document. Now, I'm most likely going to have to maintain it as a Word document because when we look at the conversion, these tables and this complicated setup will not have transferred to a Google Doc well. Google Doc conversion works great with normal formatting and some limited like tables and bullets and things like that, but you still end up after the conversion very often having to go through it and make some changes just to make sure that everything is the way you want it to be, because you're converting from a Word doc format to literally a web format. So as you can see, this is the Word document. Let's take a look at what your share options are when you have a Word document. So I'm going to click on share, and I'm going to click on, I've got public on the web, anyone with the link. So you can see I have the same share settings that I have in the domain for my other Google Docs. I can add another person. So if I add, I'm just going to add, let's see if I can add me. You can add anyone by name as well. So you click on done. What you can't do with a doc like this is I can't edit it. So if I click in it, I can't make changes. So even if you add someone as an editor, they can't make changes because it's in its native format. If I want to edit this doc because it remained a Word document, I need to go back. We're going to get into this in the next one, and I need to download it. So I'm going to show you in the next tutorial how to download from Google. So let's take a look at what happened with the formatting though when we left the conversion settings on. Dun, dun, dun. Not bad, not bad at all. Google's getting really much better about this. Is actually really, really good. Normally, in the past, I wouldn't have seen something like this. So yeah, I'm impressed. And immediately, so you can see I can edit this document. So if I highlight still life with Apple and I want to make the font bold and bigger, I can do that. And now if I share it with someone else with edit access, they can edit it as well. So again, to recap, you upload a file. Your conversion settings have to be on or off. So here I have, you can also, you might want to do this, check the box confirm settings before each upload. That way it'll ask you each time. So now I'm going to X out of this. Okay, phase 2, uploading folders. Now, some people just bite the bullet and they say, wow, this Google Cloud-based service is so awesome. I'm never using my hard drive and my local programs again. So, or they decide they want to get everything backed up into the cloud. So the easiest way to do that obviously would be a folder upload. So you click on your upload here, folder, and then you navigate to the folder you want to upload. Now this, we've just been there, so it's highlighted, and then I click OK. It says here's it's checking to see if what I want to do about my upload settings. I'm going to convert everything, and I'm going to start the upload. So you can see, depending on what you're uploading, I mean, it could take quite a while. And so if you're uploading at school, you might want to choose to, if you're going to do a major upload, you might want to choose to do it at the end of the day or a time of day when there's not a lot of heavy network usage. So there you go. That's going to upload. Okay, so now the folder is completely uploaded, and this is where the magic sets in. Not only is it organized in the folder for you, that's beautiful, because if you upload a folder with 5 subfolders, everything gets uploaded, converted, and all the subfolders are there as well. It's amazing stuff, folks. So here you have different file formats, and I'd like to take a moment to show you these different file formats. First of all, let's go to the PowerPoint. I mean the PDF. So I'm going to open the PDF. This was originally a PowerPoint converted to a PDF and uploaded. And I just want you to see how beautifully it displays in the browser. All of the fonts, everything. I mean, the formatting itself, it's just beautiful. So let's take a look at how the PowerPoint, this PowerPoint has been uploaded from, you know, a template in an earlier version of Microsoft. So it uploads the template style, the font style. It's amazing what it does. So I'm ready to show this presentation. I can just click on Start Presentation and it'll play right in my browser. That's really cool stuff. In addition to this, I can now make it public and I can share it on the web. I can embed this presentation immediately in a website. So, okay, let's close that. We've got that. The other thing I want to show you is how the spreadsheet. So if we go back, we've got a spreadsheet that somebody made to map out where the computers are in the media center, and that came in beautifully. Now I can click on share, and I can share this with anybody. I can share it with Allison. I'll share it with myself on my other Gmail account. And when I share it, I can choose to add a message, and so they get a notification in their mailbox that I've shared the file. And so I click on share and save. I'm going to go back and show you one more thing. I uploaded a video. So if I click on that, there's that train again. You just start playing the video right in there.
My Home by Cameron Burns. My home is a dangerous home. Wood stove
So if I'm a student and this is my upload, or a teacher, I made a video, I have a video on my computer, I can upload it, I can share it with my students, I can embed it in a web page, I can just simply make it public on the web and send the link out to people. It saves you so much time and energy in trying to share and disperse projects and information. So yes, this was meant to be a short video on how to upload your documents to Google Docs, but honestly, when you look at it, there's so much to it. This just is the tip of the iceberg. In further tutorials, we'll show you how to, further share documents and things like, and edit and create documents and things like that. The next video in this series will show you how to take documents from Google and export them to your desktop.